Hey, what about Masterpool? So James Stewart brought up in the broadcast, I don't know if you were listening to that, but about just the chassis and the bike setup. Like with the full factory bike, I mean, are these guys really shooting themselves in the foot by having a stiffer setup compared to Like, do you know what I'm talking about? Did you hear James Stewart commenting on this?
Yeah, I heard him, and he said it multiple times throughout the day.
Does it
Throughout
carry?
qualifying
Does it carry that much weight? Like, can you attribute that much of Masterpool's ride to just the fact that he wasn't on such stiff factory, chassis and suspension?
I don't think really that much. I honestly think it was just he was riding really, really, really good, and he was riding the track how the track needs to be ridden.
I like that. Yeah.
He's technically pretty good, and I know they ride nasty, rutted tracks a lot. So I think the biggest thing for his performance last weekend was just the fact that he rode the track really good, and he wasn't worried about where he was at in the race. He just focused on himself and racing the track, and I think it worked out for him. So